And here is an active iron razor. So let's show you how to operate this one. And here is the password is to enter the control page. Here is the language. There are two operations. One is automatic and another one is the manual. So each function can be turned on, can be switched off to like this one. Actually, we will set down all the parameters and save. So let's run the machine. Okay, actually it's very simple to operate the machine. So just let's run the machine. And before you starting the filling project, and you'd better to do the combination under the manual situation. So let's show you how to do the manual test. The password. And before you run the machine, hold complete bottle filling line, you'd better to test each machine and the manual. So as you can see, there are so many the function can be switched on and off to test each one. Stop cans, release cans, filling, fix bottle. Okay, so this is a video to show you how to do the adjustment for the rinser. So the first step, you have to place the glass bottle over here and to fix the position for the cylinder to block the bottle and release the bottle. And then you'd better to adjust the height and the width. If you use different size the bottle, you have to do the adjustment for the conveyor belt to adjust the width. And this bottle, this one, and this one to adjust the distance. And this bottle, this one, and this one to adjust the height, to make different bottle height. And the last station, the last step, you have to adjust this one. This one you can adjust the up or down for the filling nozzle to make different height bottle.